Wafana Ra Sai crossed 70 million views on YouTube. What do you want to say about that?
I'd like to correct you. It is 80 million right now. Well, thank you. I can understand the feeling is surreal for me. In just around 10 days, we've got some 80 million views, which is huge. The team is very happy. Also, looking at the fact we've not been able to promote it anywhere except for our homes. This is the place we have been promoting everything from, personally from my end, and all the rest of the actors and the singers, Jubin and Arushi, everybody has been uh, promoting it from their respective houses because of the lockdown right now. But we all are extremely happy क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा response मिला है हमें उसका, and looking forward to some more love and more views and more likes.
How the journey of Wafana Ra Sai started?
Mafana Rasai actually started last year. This song was curated by Mr. Bhushan Kumar himself, and he had the idea of making this song. And that is exactly when he had connected with his team members, Raj Channa and Shivam Channa. They got in touch with me, they narrated me the entire subject, and what like the most exciting thing for me while we were planning the shoot was that we were supposed to shoot it in Kashmir. So I really loved it. The idea of going to Kashmir, and especially 2020, like you guys know that we've been under a complete lockdown. We're not able to step out of the houses at that time. So at the beginning of the year, we had very mild cases and very less cases of COVID, and it was very easy. I mean, things were getting back to normal. So we went to Kashmir, and that is exactly how it happened. But in case of the singing part, I would say for Jubin's voice, it happened again in December. I was there with my family for New Year's, and when I had made Jubin hear this song, because I got the song a little earlier from T Series from the production house, so that I can start preparing for my character. And I made this song here to Jubin while we were walking early morning 4 o'clock on 1st of January 2021 on the Mall Road of Mussoorie. And he heard the song. He had already heard it before. I think it was given to him, but I don't know what happened. बाद में वो उनका कुछ mind change हुआ or something happened. Then later on when he heard the track, he loved it and he expressed how much he really liked the track and how much he also connected with it. The next morning was a very good surprise for me when I got a call from Mr. Jubin Nautiyal himself that we were flying to Bombay, and he expressed all his love while we were flying that he was supposed to sing it. So something which we had manifested was finally coming true. Finally वो पूरा हो रहा था कि मैं चाहता था कि आवाज़ जुबिन की ही हो इसमें, और वो फील करते हैं गानों को बहुत अच्छे. So this is exactly how it happened.
How was your shooting experience?
Shooting experience was a little bit challenging because shooting in such difficult conditions, such challenging weather conditions, is not an easy task for the actors, for the crew, for the direction team, for the camera unit. सारी चीज़ें सर्दी में वैसे ही स्लो हो जाती है. आप थोड़ा सा कोजी फील करना चाहते हो उस टाइम पे. However, irrespective of, we were shooting on the 26th of January in Kashmir, in a place like Kashmir, also dealing with the COVID protocols, dealing with the Kashmir protocols on the 26th of January. So, and plus to that was the weather. It was, I mean, there was all snowfall all around us. हर जगह उस समय स्नो हो रही थी, स्नो पड़ रही थी. तो देखने में वो बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था, लेकिन शूट करने में वो उतना ही डिफिकल्ट था. -17 to -20 हमारा टेम्परेचर टच कर जाता था वहाँ पे, इतना गिर जाता था वो टेम्परेचर. पर गाना इतना खूबसूरत था सुनने में, इतना सुंदर, मतलब इतना अमेजिंग लगता था सुनना, उसे फील करना कि वो 3-4 दिन इतने खूबसूरत लगे. वो आइस, वो शूटिंग लोकेशंस, वो यूनिट के साथ काम करना, वो एक्टर्स के साथ काम करना, तो बहुत ही फिल्मी था, बट येट आई वुड से बहुत रियल था और बहुत अमेजिंग था कि हम लोग सब वो 3-4 दिन एंजॉय कर पाए अच्छे मौसम को, ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशंस को, और एक बहुत ही प्यारे खूबसूरत गाने को.
We have seen you as a chocolate boy, but in this video you have changed your character. Was it challenging?
I think it was challenging for my director, Ashish Panda. Uh, See, for me as an actor, everything has to be different from whatever I've been doing so far. So breaking the chocolate boy image isn't that easy. So we had planned a little bit for that. It was, I would say, entirely Ashish's call to make me look like how I was looking in the video. So I mean, it was fun. It was different. हमने काफ़ी उसके लिए planning की, and eventually how the character shaped up and the character looked like was appreciated by the team first of all. हम जब set पे थे तो हमारी टीम के सभी members को वो अच्छा लग रहा था, तो हमने ऐसे क्यूमुलेटिव आइडिया ले लिया कि अराउंड 100-150 लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है, तो हम उसे मतलब अजम्पशंस लगा रहे थे दैट इतने लोगों को और पसंद आया है, तो मतलब बाहर भी सभी लोगों को पसंद आना चाहिए. So yes, breaking the chocolate boy image was a little bit challenging, but playing a different character for the first time and not a chocolate boy was more happening for me. I mean, I explored new dimensions as an actor, and I really liked it, because whenever the directors and producers believe in me as an actor, and they see the potential in me, that brings more confidence in me. So very glad to the producer and director again for giving me this challenging part, which I loved playing.
You recently spoke about Neha and yours breakup. Do you think you've said things late and cleared things very late?
It doesn't matter. Whatever I had to say, I had expressed it over there, and I don't really wish to talk about it anymore. Things are out. I mean, whatever I had to say about it, I have expressed it. Sooner, later, doesn't matter. What matters is what you feel and what you express, and what you want to convey, which has already been conveyed to everybody. So I would just want to finish this now here and once and for all.
How you manage to stay positive in these testing and challenging times?
It is a difficult task. Looking at the WhatsApp messages, Facebook videos, your fake forwards from YouTube. Everybody nowadays become a journalist. तो सबको यही लगता है कि हम थोड़ी सी न्यूज़ सर्कुलेट कर देते हैं without verifying all the resources and the places where they are getting the links from. So yes, it is difficult when you get so many of these fake forwards, but एक समय आता है ना, आपको लगता है that now it's done. Yeah, I don't wish to look at the negativity. I don't wish to accept this negativity in my life, and how you can get away from the entire negativity is only by disconnecting from it. There is no other way. तो हम घर पे अपने सब घर पे रहते हैं, घर वालों के साथ थोड़ा सा समय स्पेंड करता हूँ, काम करता हूँ बॉम्बे में, अधिकतर मतलब मोस्टली सारा टाइम बॉम्बे ही रहता हूँ. तो लास्ट ईयर ये मौका मिला, कुछ समय मिल पाया अपने घर वालों के साथ स्पेंड करने का, और मुझे अभी वापस ये एक समय मिला है जहाँ घर वालों के साथ समय बिताना भी अच्छा लग रहा है. और अभी बात सेफ्टी की है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग सब एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखते हैं. वी आर नॉट केयरलेस एंड वी केयर फॉर ईच अदर. तो सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स हमारे भी घर के पूरे हम लोग इस समय वी हैव बीन आल्सो फॉलोइंग अप विद ऑल द प्रोटोकॉल्स. नोबडी इज अलाउड टू कम इन द हाउस. We have again disconnected ourselves from the outer world, and we are going to maintain this till the time things are going to get better, we feel. And I hope it gets better soon, because it's getting on my head now. I mean, हर रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ देख के आपको पता लगता है कि कितना बुरा हाल है. But again, looking at the positive side, the cases are going down, but that doesn't mean that you can step out. It's a way of looking at life. So ये केसेस नीचे आएंगे, इन्हें हम ही नीचे लेके आएंगे, और वो कैसे आएंगे, घर पे बैठ के इंतज़ार करिए उस समय का कि जब चीज़ें सही हो जाए, rather than stepping out right now, risking your life, risking your people's life, because शायद ये पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि आप बाहर जाएं, आपको कोरोना उतना इम्पैक्ट ना करे, लेकिन बाकी मेंबर्स पे वो किस तरह इम्पैक्ट करेगा, you never know. So stop risking your and others' life and stay positive. Devote yourself. आप अपने आप को engage कर सकते हैं. मुझे Netflix देखना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे कंटेंट देखना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे गाने सुनना अच्छा लगता है. I like to spend my time with my family. मुझे मेरे घर वालों के साथ मेरी बचपन की सारी बातें, यादें, वो सब बातें करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आज सोशल मीडिया के ज़माने में हम लोग एक्चुअली this is something which is lacking in all of us, that हम लोग emotionally we have so disconnected that we need to give time to our people. Phone is the only thing we give our maximum time to, whether it's by our work, whether it's for your fun, whether it's for your gaming, personal activities, whatever it is, or anything to do with you engaging yourself. I'm happy that I'm giving my same amount of time to my family, talking to them in person. भाई मैं उनसे सामने बैठ के बात करता हूँ rather than फ़ोन पे मैं उनके वीडियोस या अपने दोस्तों के वीडियोस देखता रहा हूँ. So I'm creating more memories and moments for myself, so which I can cherish them forever in my life.
How you passing your time in this lockdown?
Passing my time in this lockdown, just by looking at those wonderful comments I'm getting from the people on my song, because it's just been 5 to 8 days my song is out, so a little bit of my attention is still on my song right now, to be very honest. Still looking at it, the graph, the likes, the number of views pouring, love pouring from all over the world. तो आधा समय तो उस खुशी में बीत जाता है, बाकी का जो समय है वो घर वालों के साथ में थोड़ा गार्डनिंग है, हमारे घर पे टेरेस गार्डन है, सो वी गिव टाइम फॉर दैट, वी स्पेंड टाइम विद ईच अदर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट लाइफ इन जनरल, लाइफ इन बॉम्बे, अबाउट मी, अबाउट एवरीबडी इन द फैमिली. देन थोड़ा बहुत कुकिंग हैबिट्स, घर वालों से थोड़ा साथ रह के, इफ़ आई कैन ग्रास्प समथिंग. आई डोंट विश टू बिकम अ शेफ, बट सीखने में कुछ हर्ज नहीं है. अगर आपको वो समय मिल सकता है, आपको वो समय मिल रहा है, तो कैपिटलाइजिंग दैट टाइम. सो आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग माई सेल्फ एंगेज्ड, हैप्पी, पॉजिटिव एंड ब्राइट एंड cheerful as always.
Any movie recommendations you want to give to our viewers?
It depends on person to person. I like sci-fi movies, I like thriller, I like horror, I like comedy. I mean, I like filming cinema entirely. Different genres, depends on what the person wants to watch. So there are a lot of web series, there are lots of films. It totally depends on you. But yeah, there's some good content right now, I think, on Amazon Prime, Netflix, and all the other OTT platforms. So अगर आप लोगों ने स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स नहीं देखा है तो आप वो देख सकते हैं, वो बहुत अच्छा है. और अगर आपको स्पेस पे कुछ देखना है तो आप बहुत सारी फिल्म्स देख सकते हैं स्पेस पे. तो साई-फाई फिल्म्स, हॉरर फिल्म्स आर देयर. सो आई मीन राइट नाउ व्हाट आई एम वाचिंग, शायद आपको हंसी आए वो सुन के, बट मैं आजकल अपने घर में 90s की जो फिल्म्स होती थी, गोविंदा की एंड सलमान सर की एंड आमिर सर की, आई कीप ऑन वाचिंग दैट. एंड आई डोंट नो, आई स्टिल फील थोड़ा होमली है, थोड़ा उसके अंदर एक अलग वाइब होती है, कुछ अफेक्शन उन फिल्म्स में होता था. उस ज़माने की फिल्मों में प्यार होता था, एक अलग प्यार होता था. सो आई जस्ट लव दैट वर्ल्ड ऑफ सिनेमा वेयर एवरीथिंग वाज लार्जर देन लाइफ. आपके जो विलन होते थे वो भी बहुत बड़े लार्जर देन लाइफ होते थे. सो फॉर मी द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दैट टाइम I miss the most now, so I'm just binging on to that nowadays.
Tell us about your future project and shoots that are lined up.
There are future projects, a couple of them, yes. One film, Bundi Raita. There's another film, it's untitled. I will be coming out with my entire team as an official announcement towards it. And we are waiting for this COVID to settle right now, because more than the projects, our life matters the most. And the film which Bundi Raita was supposed to start, like we were supposed to start shooting from 26th, last month only, जो भी गया पीछे. But unfortunately, because of the number of COVID cases rising up, we have delayed the shoot for a bit. But once things settle, I think Bundi Raita is the first film I'm supposed to complete my film shooting with, and then I have 2-3 more commitments. But like I said, that I can just talk about my film Bundi Raita since it's already announced. So let the other information roll out. Meanwhile, you can stay tuned to my channels, and I would be very happy to give you all the information myself.
Any message for our viewers?
All the viewers, stay safe. This is the only message I wish to give, and I wish to spread across the universe as well. Stay positive mentally, because there are these social media forwards or people trying to scare you. So don't get scared, but don't be a careless as well. Be a smart one. घर पे बैठिए, आराम से रिलैक्स करिए. ये समय आपको मिला है, अपने आप पे आप काम कर सकते हैं, आप अपने इंटरेस्ट के और अपनी हॉबीज़ की तरफ आप काम कर सकते हैं. तो मेरा सिर्फ एक ही प्रेयर भी है और मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट भी है. प्रेयर ऊपर वाले से, रिक्वेस्ट आप सभी लोगों से, कि प्रेयर है कि आप लोग सब स्वस्थ रहें, हैप्पी रहें, सब चीज़ें वापस बैक ऑन ट्रैक आ जाएं. ये जितनी दिक्कतें हम लोग रोज़ सुन रहे हैं, ये सब बंद हो, इसका दी एंड हो फाइनली. लाइफ शुड बी बैक ऑन ट्रैक, और वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब आप लोग साथ देंगे. by maintaining your hygiene standards, by disconnecting yourself right now from the entire world. That is, your social distancing is very much required right now. And staying positive, is something, it is the most important need of the hour right now. So आप पॉजिटिव रहिए. जब आप अच्छा अच्छा सोचते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी है वो अच्छे वे में रिएक्ट करती है. ये साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन फिनोमेना है. जब आप अच्छा फील करते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी विद इन काफ़ी हैप्पी हार्मोन्स रिलीज़ करती है, और वो आपको एक अच्छे डायरेक्शन में लेके जाती है, और उसमें रिकवरीज जो होती हैं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी होती हैं. तो एक पॉजिटिव माइंड और एक पॉजिटिव बॉडी ही आपको एक पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में लेके जा सकती है, एक पॉजिटिव लाइफ जर्नी की तरफ बढ़ा सकती है. सो स्टे पॉजिटिव इन पर्सन, बट नॉट टुवर्ड्स कोरोना. May you all be negative or for corona, and be positive as a human being. Smile bright, stay healthy, stay happy.